so if my math is right, this is going to be the setup. Here's the bracket. Here's the other little piece that goes into the exhaust manifold. And you see how bad they're offset. So there will have to be a spacer put in between. My measurement from here to here is 1.25 inches. And then there's going to be a taper because the height is off. So down here it's going to be 1 inch, and then it's going to go up to 1.25 inches over here on the height. So I'm going to take this stuff back off, get it over to the table, mark up some metal, cut my piece, and hope for the best.